Uh-oh, fruit flies terrorizing you? No need to worry. With the help of something likely already in your home, you'll get rid of those unwanted visitors in no time. Got a fly trap? Fly trap? Fly trap? Don't even trip. All you need is a plastic bottle. That's right. A bottle! Instead of making your way to the store, simply make your way to your recycle or your trash can. Cut the top off, fill it with my personal favorite, ketchup and tomatoes. Tape the inverted top down and congratulations, you've got yourself a fruit fly trap. If you can, make a few. Sit them in various corners of your home and wait. In less than 24 hours, you'll notice they're no longer bothering you because they're trapped. Call now at 1-800-555. You fill in the rest. With just 3 easy payments of $0 plus $0 shipping and handling, you'll be outsmarting those unwanted guests in no time. But wait, there's more. Act now and you'll find that vinegar, water, sugar, and dish soap can also get the job done. This limited time offer won't last long. Operators are not standing by. This cheesy infomercial not convincing enough? Give it a try. It shouldn't cost you a thing.